We don't consider what we do as file sharing. I mean, what we do is, we enhance content delivery. I mean, we really optimize content delivery. And I know it's a buzzword, but we've used it for a while. I mean, we really create what we call a content delivery cloud, which consists of the CDN servers and the peer nodes. Now, we coordinate this content delivery cloud of the CDN servers and the peer nodes to deliver the fastest downloads at the quality of service that is controlled by the publisher and at the lowest cost. Now, so what's in it for the consumer? Why would they care? Well, we're going to deliver higher quality video to them faster, so they care about that. But it's very important that consumers have control. And we know from 4 years of experience and nearly now 30 million deployments of our client that you have to give consumers control. They have to have the ability to turn it off. They have to have the ability to control how much resources of their computer they're contributing to this cloud. And all of our deployments do that. So we're never using somebody's resources, affecting their performance, and we're always giving them control. But you also have the ability to opt out. Almost every customer we work with, if you don't want to use our engine that speeds the delivery, you can just opt out, including NBC. You don't have to use our technology. Even though we've got some decent broadband pipes, and you could argue whether we have good or bad pipes versus other countries, etc. They're getting better every day, you're right, and computers are getting faster every day. But the demand is also going up, and it's simply impossible to deliver millions of video streams simultaneously to millions of people and deliver them at a quality of service that is needed for consumers. So in order to do that, and then you get into live events, it's impossible to deliver 10, 20 million live video streams at the same time to an audience for a live event. So our technology enables video delivery to scale. So it creates, between using the CDN servers and the peer nodes, it creates a stronger, more scalable network. It also increases the quality of service, the delivery speed. It also lowers the cost. Now, I don't have to tell you about cost, right? You're a low-cost provider, but the cost of covering video delivery online with advertising is increasingly difficult. And margins matter. So people say, well, CDN costs have come down and they're continuing to come down. Yeah, they are. But if you can cut your cost in half or 75%, why not do it? So if you can cut your costs, provide more scalable and a higher quality thing, then you want to do it. Are there some issues? Sure. There's some real issues with P2P deployment, especially in the video space. Until Adobe or Microsoft have media players that easily hook into peer-to-peer technologies or offer them, there's still the question of, do you need to activate a piece of software? That's a real impediment. That's a real problem. But I have no doubt that peer-to-peer protocols will become a part of the architecture. It's taken longer than people expected, and it's been more challenging to run a business than people expected. But between video, software, and game delivery online, I have no doubt that our technology is relevant and people will use it, and consumers will find there are safe, controllable, commercially deployable implementations such as Pando that are good to play with.